So something I've been debating for a long time now is about this bike right here. Now, I know we just took this thing to California, but I've honestly been debating selling it, man. I don't use it is the problem. In fact, it's actually this guy right here that is the reason why I'm considering selling that guy over there. I use this bike so much more than that bike that I kind of just figured that maybe I should just sell that bike over there and keep this as my main bike. But I don't know, I really want your guys' advice. I love the 650, you know, I've had it for almost a year now. It's summer, semester's over. I've almost had it about a year now, and I just don't know what to do with it. And I think I might be better off if I sold it. I just don't use it enough. Oh, and yeah, by the way, this is the garage. This is where I store my bikes. Like the 650's way back there, the R6 is right here, because like I said, I use it more. And then if you've been around a while, you know that my brother wrecked this bike, and look at it. It is like completely gutted, man. Oh my God. I still don't know what he's doing to it, but hey, there's parts down here. There's parts over here. In fact, you got the dash right there. I don't know, man. But man, she is a beaut. And if I do sell her, I'm gonna miss her. So let me know, guys. In fact, me debating selling it, we're actually gonna take this bike out instead. But still, I'm still debating selling it. Don't look at my plate information. Don't. All right. Anyways, I guess we should get riding. All right. Well, we're out here in Logan now, in the beautiful Logan, might I add. It is officially the end of the semester, and we are officially into the summer. At least the summer break. Looks like there's some sort of protest going on over here. Anyways, though, I originally had a ride planned with some people today, but it fell through, man. And I was so pissed. It was down in Salt Lake, so I would have had to ride like an hour and a half, probably. And it's a shame, man. It fell through. And I'm pissed. What can you do? Hey, if anyone wants to ride, like I said, anybody at all, just let me know. Oh man, I wish I could go fast, I tell you what. You know, I know we're not on the 650 today. I've been debating selling it, like I've said, which, you know, is a shame, man. I feel bad that I have to sell it because I've only owned it, well, I've owned it less than a year, to be honest with you. Oh, there's a baby there. I might just, go ahead. I feel bad because I think she's got a baby, and this bike is loud, so I don't really want to sell this 650. I've only had it less than a year, and like, it's not that I even need the money, it's just the fact that it's collecting dust in the garage. I've used both the Grom and the R6 more than I have used that bike, by far. And I just feel bad. I feel like somebody else could put it to good use, you know what I mean? I don't want it to sit, you know, it's a 2025. I don't want it to just sit, you know what I mean? Like, I'd rather it actually get, like, used by somebody who would use it. But man, it is a absolutely beautiful day, I tell you what. It is summer. It's starting to feel like summer, man. I can't wait. I can't wait for even warmer weather. I mean, it's like 67 degrees out right now, I think, which honestly is really just a good feeling right now in Logan. It feels great. I don't know what I'm gonna do this summer. I'm gonna be working, like next week I work 40 hours a week. So we're going full time, boys, we're going full time. I'm just excited for summer. I don't, like, for trips I got planned, for everything. I can't wait. I don't know why I sound so happy, dude. I am. But also with summer, man, you got the sky. Look at the clear blue. It is beautiful. And guess what else you got? You got long days, man. Like, there's sunlight till 9 p.m. I'm 100% here for it. Like, night rides are going to be coming soon, too. Even though I can't really see anything at night. I don't know. I might have to switch to, like, a clear visor. But then you lose aura, you know what I mean? I'm also sorry, guys, for not uploading again. Like, finals whooped my ass. I can't lie to you. I definitely got my ass beat by finals. Is that person out of his car? Yeah, I guess so. Dude, these lights absolutely suck. They always do. They have them back too. 6 minutes. So why don't we just... Damn, man. Nice little creek, I guess. No, it is beautiful. So there's like a hiking trail there too. Let's pick up a rock. And then we just kick up the feet, because you know what we do at red lights. Oh my God, this sucks, dude. I remember this shit. Plus, like, canyon riding is so nice that it's like they have to ruin it with these stoplights, man. Like, why? Why can't we just have no construction at all and just cruise the whole time? At least it's not hot as balls. Like, if the sun was beating down right now, I'd be like crazy hot. But it's not good for the bike to sit at this temperature, I tell you that. What is that? Oh. What? Damn, what the? Yo, I got a souvenir, bro. I'll be taking that. Well, at least I got a souvenir for my travels, you know?
Dude, I sure hope there's not another one of those, because, well, from what I remember, there actually are 2 more of those. I don't understand why we have to wait that long for just simple construction. Like, you don't need to block this off. Like, what is going on in the right lane where you need to block it off? Well, I guess that right there, but still. Wow, look at that guy. A lot of smoke being kicked up from that. I'm glad I have my visor down. You know, I'm actually genuinely curious if the cops sit here, like, sit out in this area. Something tells me they, like, do. Logan is so bad with over-patrolling. Like, the cops absolutely over-patrol everything, anything and everything. And it's so annoying. And I hate it. This is kind of just nice, soothing, relaxing riding, you know what I mean? Like, we're stuck behind traffic, but hey, it could be worse, and we're kind of just enjoying the scenery, especially on a nice day. Like, what else is summer meant for? And canyon riding at that. And I got Lana Del Rey playing in my ears, bro. Oh, life's good, man. All right, let's just cut to when I get out of this canyon, shall we?
Okay, well, I might have lied about being out of the canyon yet, but look at the view. I wanted to stop at this place because look at the bike. Oh, look at the view. Look behind me too, man. This is like a campsite or something. I don't know what this. Let's check it out. It's very muddy, which, you know, got these nice shoes on, but no, I'm just kidding. I don't care if they get dirty. It looks like solar panels or something over there, man. But yeah, you got some sort of fire pit, some sort of like log set up here too. I don't really know what that is. But I mean, look at the mud, like clearly tons of mud there. And you got a big ass stick. No, I'm just a fan. I'm a fan of big sticks. You know what I mean? That's my favorite thing in the world, is a big stick. Pause. The river, or creek, I guess it's a creek. What would you guys like actually call this? Like, it's a creek, right? I mean, it's not, there's no river. Oh, I see a Mountain Dew can right there. Littering. Don't litter, guys, don't litter, come on. We learned better than that. Let's not litter, shall we? But yes, absolutely gorgeous. Well, boys, sometimes it's a good idea to just kind of take a little nature walk and enjoy nature a little bit and enjoy what you have to see in the world. And it really helps the mental health, you know what I mean? And trust me when I say, after the week I've had, I could use it. This week has been absolutely insane with the essay, with the test that I legitimately failed. It's just nice to, I don't know, to be out in nature. Especially when I have my bike here, because that just makes everything better. Well, except for your back posture, that is. But I tell you what, man, riding is the best way to relieve any stress. And after a long week, I was so happy to get on the bike, and especially to record a video for you guys too. Sometimes you just gotta slow life down a little bit, you know, enjoy the quiet moments and enjoy the nature and enjoy just the things that come to you. You know, you don't have to go chasing everything in life, okay? That's something I've learned. That's something I'm sure everybody learns at some point throughout their life. You really just gotta take what comes to you. And in fact, actually, I just started offering people lessons to learn on my Gram, because I want people to understand that blissful feeling that riding provides me, at least. And I want more people into the hobby, you know what I mean? It's just, it's such a beautiful and pure thing to get on a motorcycle and go through a canyon or go through some sort of scenic area, or even just riding around through a city or a town. It's something that I truly just can't put into words unless you hop on a motorcycle and actually start riding. And that's something that I'm hoping to provide to other people that I teach. All right, enough of the deep stuff. Let's actually get out of the canyon now.
Alright, well, we made it out of the canyon, finally. That seriously took, like, a long time, bro. I didn't realize how deep I went into the canyon, but, I did. That's good, brother.
It is sunny, though, bro. I tell you what, when I'm going back out of the canyon, the sun was directly in my eyes. Couldn't see shit. Yeah, we're going. I don't give a fuck. We're going. He stopped me. Well, we got stopped by the red light anyway.
I tried to laugh about it. Gotta love me some indie music, man. I tell you what, I'm the indie guy. You ask any of my friends or literally anybody I know,
they're gonna say I mess with indie music, because that's like the only genre I mess with. Or like my favorite genre, at least. Hey, what's up? Bikes are out, man. Anytime a nice day hits, oh, I can't wait for summer. There's gonna be so many bikes, dude. Oh man, pizza sounds really good right now. I was smelling the Domino's over there. Ooh, Wingstop sounds good too, bro. Papa John's right next to it. Oh yeah, everything's good, man. When you're hungry, literally every possible thing of food is sounds good. I think I'm gonna go back down south towards Maverick, just because Maverick sounds really good. I could use, dude, for all you West Coasters or Midwesterners or wherever Utah is considered, Maverick, their chocolate bar donuts, honestly, my brother shit on me for saying this, but they're some of the best donuts I think I've ever had, which is crazy. Gas station donuts are some of the best I've ever had. Clearly my taste is not that refined.
Like, be honest though, guys, what is your go-to gas station, like, rotation, I guess, you know? Because for me personally, it's usually one of those chocolate bar donuts from Maverick, a water, always water, especially when you're riding, dude. Like, water's better, or some electrolytes or something like that.
But yeah, the chocolate bar donut, some water, and usually something like salty, so I'll go like Goldfish or Cheez-Its, because I love Goldfish and Cheez-Its.
And we'll probably stop at Maverick to get some gas too, because I have no gas gauge, so I have no idea if I'm low or not, but I assume I am after all the riding I just did. Oh, the bane of my existence, four-way stop signs. Such a simple concept, right? Yeah, you know how many times I've almost gotten hit on a four-way stop sign? Yeah, we're gonna turn left here. Whoa! Oh, never mind. I thought he was pulling out in front of me, but nah, he just saw I had the left turn.
Jesus, that came to a stop quick. If I ever said the traffic has gotten better, I might have been lying, dude. Traffic is still really bad, but it is inherently better just because there's no more college kids, or like there's not a whole lot of college kids left. I'm one of them, because I live here, unfortunately. I love how my bike is just straight noise pollution, by the way. Favorite part of this thing. $4.39 for gas, by the way. You know, when I was in California for part of it, that's how much gas was. Almost as expensive as California when I went, which is insane. Actual insanity how expensive gas has become now. Let's get our gas, shall we? Please have tap to pay. Yes, it does. Never mind, it doesn't work. God damn it. Worst thing in the world when tap to pay doesn't work. Yes, I'm waiting. There we go. You know me, guys. 87. That's what we do. $11 for 2.4 gallons, by the way. Kill me. God, look at that. There's the proof. Alright, well, now we're going to get something to eat, because I'm hungry. Starving, actually. Boom. I love that motorcycles can just take up a full spot, man. Alright, well, let's get something to eat. Sorry. Yeah, I've gotten so good, I know exactly where the water is. Right here. Got that. We'll get our Cheez-Its and our donut too. I'm gonna get two of them actually. Whew. Well, look at that. Perfection. And the bike did not get stolen, nor did the 360 cam. Wow. What a great dinner right there. Alright, well, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. I love you so much. And stay tuned for the next one. Sorry it took me a minute to get this one out. Anyways, I love you, boys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.